Dear students, our today's topic is tobacco, and welcome to physical education class. I hope you all are safe and fine at your places, and I truly believe that your learning process is really going on well. So let's begin with the session, and I hope you all got it the concepts properly. So here we need to know about the tobacco totally. As you all know that the previous sessions, this is actually the last topic of this chapter, unit number 10. So we are going on with unit number 10, training and doping in sports, and this is the last part of addiction. Now today we are going to discuss all about the tobacco. Okay, so as you all know, tobacco is just a kind of addiction people used to have. If you generally seen in village, people are too much addicted of it in the village area, right? So what is tobacco exactly about? It is the evil habit. Some people chewing it, some people smoke it, and yesterday I has also told you that when see in part 11 I told you why people have this. People have this because they have a dopamine secret in their brain and they feel good. So but it has various problem, even it may lead to cancer, and it is clearly mentioned on the packets of the various products of which is made up of the tobacco. So it's the evil habit of smoking, and chewing of tobacco has enslaved many peoples. Okay, so many people are enslaved in it. It is taken in various forms, like some of people taking in cigarette, bidi, cigars, snuff, chewing tobaccos, pan masala, drinking narcotics, drinking hookah, and so many things. So all these forms of tobacco really has a very harmful effect. The reason for the global popularity and the people like pleasing narcotic effect. It's stimulate the brain and the nervous system. So that is why it stimulates the brain and the nervous system and give a temporary relief from worry, fatigue, hunger. The effect of tobacco are very adverse over our health. So students, this kind of addiction we need to overcome. So let's come and know what are the ill effects of tobacco. So students, as I told you that tobacco has a great impact on our life and it leads us to death also. It leads to various health related causes and various health related problems. Tobacco as a poison. Yes, these are the narcotics, and it's a brain poison found in tobacco. So narcotine is a brain poison found in tobacco, and it is one of the most deadly poison known to man. Half drop of pure narcotine can lethal and can kill a person. There is no antidote of this poison. So have you imagined, bachcho, tobacco has how much a kind of great or a harmful effect over the body. So tobacco is a poison, and a narcotine kind of poison is found in tobacco, and there is no antidote for it. These are some wrong habits. So usually people started this habit to relieve attention, which is already a wrong concept. A small amount of narcotine with the first puff may relieve your tension. After some time or soon after, it again stimulate the person to have another puff. Thus a smoker is caught, it's a victim of this circle and becomes slave of this habit. So these are some wrong habits, these are some wrong methods which may lead to death of a person and lead to a serious health related problems like cancer, lungs and jaws cancer. People who are taking like chewing tobacco, and people who are taking the cigarettes and all the puff of cigarettes, it lead to cancer, because narcotin, it's a poison and it's really a bad thing. So all 11th, you all are in such a young age or some adulthood age, and it is very important for you students to understand this topic. Understand the gist of this topic so that you will feel good and you will understand what is wrong for you and what is right for you, which is very important to understand, right? So lungs and jaw cancer, intake of the tobacco being tar, which it's a carbon compound basically, along with the smoke. This tar has a strong sticking effect on the get attack to the lining of the trachea, and it may lead to cancer. As you can see in this photograph, and this photograph mention and it photograph tells you what are the risks of smoking that lead to cancer, head or neck cancer, lungs cancer. It may lead to leukemia. It may lead disorders in your stomach. It disarrange or derangement of the various functioning, the hormonal secretion and the juices by the kidney. It affects the functioning of your pancreas, the hormonal secretion. It may affect your colon region. It may affect to your bladder, your cervix if you're a girl. If we talk about the chronic disease like a stroke problem, night blindness, gum infection, teeth infection, aortic rupture, heart disease, varied heart disease, you definitely got pneumonia, hardening of arteries, lungs, various asthma and reduction of the hip or hip fracture, etc. So there are various things. These are the risks of smoking. So why to go for such a blunder kind of things? No. So when we talk about the cancer, so yes, this tobacco lead to cancer and cause of various health related problems. Chewing of tobacco also similar to carcinogenic effects to your jaw. So you must have seen there is a lot of pictures on the packets also, right? So one should understand that thing too. If we think about the blood pressure, so yes, narcotics or this tobacco are such kind of things which increase your blood pressure. Medical researchers reveal that in a single puff of cigarette that can contract the smaller capillaries, it increase the heart rate up to 20 beats per minute. कितना increase करेगा आपका 20 minutes यानी कि 20 beats per minute, एक मिनट में 20 beats तक को वो increase कर सकता है. The extra pressure exerted over the heart and the blood vessels performing the charge of the heart related problems. Heart is a pumping organ, right? It's a blood pumping organ. If it is failed to work properly, there will be a lot of problems. Decreased body temperature. When the nicotine, it means the students, these, what I should say is the product tobacco, it consists of a poison nicotine. When this nicotine, yes, it's nicotine. When this nicotine enters into the body, it reduces the blood flow. It reduces the temperature of your skin 4 to 3 degrees. So you can imagine how big kind of things it lead in our body, harmful effects it has. It increases the sugar level, like the tobacco raises the blood sugar level in blood and reduce the efficiency of pancreas. Therefore, it is very dangerous for a diabetic person. So this tobacco has various problems which may lead to your life-threatening also. So increase in the blood sugar level. So tobacco raises the blood sugar level in blood by reducing the efficiency of pancreas. It is very dangerous for a diabetic person, and it may lead to a chronic lung disease, diabetes, when the pancreas fails to produce insulin, a hormone. Reduce lifespan. See why people earn and do enjoy everything. If your lifespan is reduced, smoking of one cigarette reduces a human life at least 11 minutes. So what do you think? Why to waste money over it? So it is also a wastage of money. A person who is enslaved of this habit spend approximately 50 rupees to 100 rupees in a day, and it is approximately 30,000 in a year. If you follow the bills, it reduces your appetite. So here we understand that yes, this addiction will lead a great loss of our life, right? So we must have understood this, and we should not go in such a poor kind of lifestyle. It lead to pollution. It's not affect only you, the person who are consuming, but yes, it also the person who is taking these all things, and if you are near to them, definitely you will be maybe caught by that. Reduce performance. If you're a sports performance a person, and if you are taking it for reducing your fatigue, definitely it reduces your performance. It is a greater loss of your physical efficiency. So students, see that drug addiction is what? Drug addiction is drugs are the chemical substance which alter the body and its function, known as medicine. When they are taken inside the body, they bring change in a biochemical system of the body. Drugs are designed to improve the chemical imbalance in the body. Okay, so some drugs may be a prescribed drug, drugs may be a non-prescribed drug, etc. So this was all about today's session, right? So you must have seen this diagram, and this diagram explains everything. There are a lot of harmful effects of drug abuse. As you can see on my screen, If you go through for drugs, there is going to be eye related problem, mouth related problem, skin related problem. It affects your lungs, it affects your heart, it affects your muscular system. It leads to damage your kidney, depression, obsession, confusion, dizziness, irritability, decrease your appetite, and lot of physiological as well as psychological problems. So here we get to know we need not to go for tobacco. Tambakoo abhi nahi, kabhi nahi. Right? So with this, I hope you understand today's session. With this, a lot of love and a lot of blessings to all of you. So today we completed this 10th unit. With this, take care. Bye bye. I hope you love this session and you understand this very nicely. Take care.